Hey guys, it's Sadie. I want to show you, and this is my soldering iron on there. I'm over at Family's, so it's a different operation. But my battery charger broke, so this is all I have. That's just water. That's just water. So my battery charger broke, but look, I have all that is just the USB going right there. And then it's going through the ammeter, and I have it charging these guys up. Okay, so these batteries, you'll either see they're I'm dyslexic. They're either 1.2 or 1.5 volts. This one I've had for a long time, right there. But look at that. So I just cut one of the wires, and then put that in there because I wanted to make sure it was doing. I want to see what it's doing. Just hooking it up. Yes, it could work, but it's better to have it just hooked up to that to see. So when these are really dead, it's up here more in that area. So yeah, I really have I had a really nice one that would charge quadruple A, triple A, double A batteries, C, D, and then it had 4 of those and 9 volt. And I thought, well, maybe I could just get the same one on there and try to fix it. I tried to fix it, but this is just a nice little idea. Look, so if you had 5 volts coming in there, it's just a little bit more. So if you had 1, 2, 3, and 2/3, so what if this was a 5 volts, which I do have I could. Could we do that? Maybe we could do that. Let's see. But so if there is 5 volts, you have 5 divided by 3. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 2/3. So for the battery, so that's 1.6666 volts. So, I'm mixing these up, but it's a little bit more in there. But if it says 1.2, I always will check to make sure they're not getting too hot, because that's obviously what you don't want to have a problem with. And then you don't want to, like if I was leaving the apartment, I would make sure I didn't, I don't know how to hold this with, you guys, I'm sorry. Okay, okay, so that's the end of it. I don't know how to, I'm sorry, guys. I wanted to test it. Okay, I'm sorry. There, wait. Well, just test it and see what we have here. Okay. 4.144 volts here. Let's just see that. Yeah, I can do this. We can do this. Okay. Yeah, so look. 4.1, and as this charges, so that's with the batteries in there, but this is in line with it too. Okay, so that's a nice little battery charger. So yeah, that's just a little hack, because the battery charger that I want to get, that I had, was $35, and you can always get you get the little ones that you can go to Kroger or whatever, and you get the little ones that you can just put 2 AA's in. But it's so much nicer to see the ones that shows you the amps on it and shows you the time on it. Some of those are really cool. For those 18650s, I have a really cool charger that shows the current and the time. But yeah, so this is just, if you have an extra USB, I mean, you got to know what you're doing, but the main thing is you don't want those to get too hot. But it is working because I do obsessively just like listen to the radio. And the AA's are like the most common battery for stuff. And then a 9-volt, then probably the AAA. Or do you think the AAA beats the 9-volt? Probably with all the remotes and stuff. Maybe the most common is the AAA. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a good one.